us recollect the content we studied in the last class. Which are the components of environment? Natural environment, human environment, and human-made environment. We studied about natural environment in detail in the last class.
The second component of environment is man-made or human-made environment. It includes all things made by human beings. For example, buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries, etc. These are the pictures of the example of human-made environment.
Now let's talk about human environment. Human beings interact with environment and modify it according to their needs. Now look at the slide.
Human environment. Human beings interact with the environment on day-to-day basis and modify it according to their needs. Due to modernization, our needs grew, so we learned new ways to fulfill our needs. We learned to grow crops and create a system wherein transactions take place. For example, barter system, trade and commerce, etc. Furthermore, we gather things as per demands. Example, to construct a building, we need raw materials including rocks and wood. For this, we may look to nature. We can get rocks from the mountains and wood from cutting down trees. Human environment. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. Then barter system emerged. Trade started and commerce developed. Then industrial revolution and trade, transport takes place during this time. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. These are the pictures of human environment.
Have you heard about the barter system? Before the invention of money, we used this barter system. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Next topic is ecosystem. Let us recollect the content learned in the previous class. An ecosystem includes all the living things in a given area interacting with each other and also with their non-living environments like weather, earth, sun, soil, climate, atmosphere, etc. In short, what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environment.
Thank you.